G'day, g'day, g'day. August is Small Business Month in Geelong, the Geelong Small Business Festival. And of course, I've got a session in. I've had one in for the past 5-6 years, and people come along from everywhere to do it. If you've done it before, come and do it again. And if you've never done it, it's a cracking 90-minute session on giving you back an hour in every day as a small business operator. So again, 2 people. One, if you've never done it before, come and do it. It's only $25. I've charged a whole lot more. You get a stack of information and it's really applicable. And if you've done it before, come back and do it again. Why? Because you can always have a refresh. I have people come every year specifically to get that first exercise of the data dump out of their head. They love it and it sets you up. So it's August the 25th, 7:30 in the morning till 9 o'clock. It's only $25. The link is below. There's quite a few of them. So register today. Make sure you grab a spot and we'll see you at the festival. Alrighty, bye.